Thing you want to do is make sure you clean up. For the ladies that's watching this video, because you guys don't do that ever. Leave the mess. Men typically try to clean up the mess. So I'll take this, rinse that off. Take this, rinse this off. This you won't touch until the very end. And as you can see, it's somewhat thick, but it's got the oil in it. I'll mix it up. And my fryer is here. This is my fryer. And once I'm ready to get started, I'll open my lid up, shake it a little bit more. You see me flip it over a couple of times. And this thing is awesome. And that'll be it. Once I take this and pop this open, you would think it wouldn't be a mess, but it'll still dust. I like to drop it down in there. You want to get your grease to at least, best temperature is about 375. And I shake them up and drop them in. Shake them up, drop them in. Shake them up and drop them in. That's just so they don't get stuck to the bottom and things of that nature. Shake them up. Oh, no, big deal, babe. And I'll let that cook. When that's done, I'll show you guys the final step, guys. But this is the thing I like about this fryer. You got a lid on it, nice and closed. This chicken's gonna cook super fast and really, really, really well. Open it back up and let's take a look. All I have to do is, that's what it looks like so far. And that's what it looks like so far. Beautiful, right? Nice and beautiful. And if you're on some type of diet, this is not the meal for you. And I could normally sit this here, but I put enough grease in it because I know I was going to have a fair amount of flour. I mean, a fair amount of chicken. And then you just dump it in here. Again, as you can see, no mess. Today I don't have anyone video for me, so take it, put a lid on it, and normally I would have a stainless steel container, and I would have that container is what I most of the time use, but today here it is, Nashville hot. And these are Nashville hot with zesty zing. And I'll show you the final results. President Trump's taxes will impact his re-election chances. Nope. WFA.com/vote now or hit the vote now tile in your WFA app. While you do that, here's Teresa Lewis. Senator Ted Cruz. So every politician visits the view on ABC from time to time. I'm assuming that you pay your taxes, you just said you do, so bravo for that. Texas Senator Ted Cruz's time came just hours after the New York Times published a long investigation into President Trump's taxes. According to the Times, the president paid $750